Hello folks, this is Uwe here, back with another BTC video. It will be a quick BTC update about what levels I am looking in the upcoming days for the BTC, even for the upcoming weeks. And I think this is the only video you guys need to have a clear sense of the BTC price. If you have clicked the video, please stay on the video till the end, and I show you that the upcoming days will be really clear for anyone who stays till the end, and I will make sure to make this video really short and relate the BTC with the USD dominance. As we know, the both charts move in the opposite directions. So let me just quickly load this out. Okay, let's start the analysis on the BTC chart. Starting from the weekly of the BTC, we have a weekly level here. Okay, this was a really important level. I have marked this level in my previous video as well, you can go and check out. So in the previous week we haven't been closing below this level. Okay, we just wicked and closed above this level, which was a sign to be bullish. Okay, but in the recent week we have closed below this level, okay, which shows weakness in the price. Although I was looking at the weakness at this point as well, because if a level is strong enough, it gives a reaction like this. Okay, just price tap, consolidate for 1 to 2 days, and then moves away from that level. These kinds of level are really good, but when price stuck at a level like this, it is a sign that the level is not playing out. So for the weekly time frame, we have a bearish close here, but we have a flat top here. Let me just mark it, previous week flat top. Okay, and now we have okay, now moving to the daily time frame. Weekly is just clear. I was okay, the weekly liquidity is resting below here. Okay, I will combine this liquidity with the daily range. Let me just move to the daily time frame. Okay, we have a daily range as well here, which was playing out good. So we got the massacre of 10th of October. Okay, after that we got a bounce that lead to range high, and okay, and a drop that leads to range low. So this forms a range here. Let me mark it out. Okay, we have a range here, range high sweep, range low sweep, back into the range, but we failed to hold this range. Okay, and now we are breaking below this range. We have closed previous day below the range. Okay, at that point I was out of my longs. So one option for the BTC was to hold this range and move higher into the mid range, but we failed to do so. Now what this shows is that BTC doesn't has enough liquidity to move higher. Okay, in this drop we don't get enough liquidity to move higher. Now price is looking for more liquidity, and now where the liquidity levels are, we got a sweep of this low, previous month low sweep. Okay, we were holding this low as well. I longed it here, and I think I have closed at this point here. Okay, I was out of my longs. So we are now failing to hold the weekly previous month low, which is a bearish sign for me. And now the only liquidity level I am looking for is this level. Okay, this is the 98k wick, and I think price will soon, in 1 to 2 days, we will be sweeping this low as well. And now what I will be looking at this point here is a sweep of this low. Okay, claiming back along here with 0.5% risk, and if we claim this previous month low, I will be adding to my position. Okay, this will be plan A. Plan A will be sweep of this liquidity level, claiming it back, showing some strength here. Okay, adding taking a 0.5% risk position here, and then if we claim back the monthly low, I will add more to my position, and I will keep scaling it until we just and then if we get back into the daily range here, if we get back into the daily range, I will add more to my position, keeping my stops tight under this under the liquidity sweep of this level. Okay, and yes, there is also a daily time frame consolidation here that can lead to the reversal of the price. I am expecting something like this. Okay, something like this. This is not a bearish sentiment. I'm not calling for a bear market, but yes, we can see a drop in the upcoming days. And I have also anticipated this long here. You can go and check on my previous video. The proof always stay there. So this is the consolidation. I'm looking for the price to dip in there and then showing a reversal sign from here for some more longs, and I will be cautious with the longs as well. I will be then out of my longs at this resistance level here. I have also marked this in my previous stream as well. Why? Support, 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 break below, retest, and a move down. So this region is a resistance for us. So I will cut out my half of the positions here, and then the other half I will also take some of the positions out here. Okay, I have told you the long scenario. This now I am telling you what are my profit taking areas. Level 1 and then this level. I will be playing from level to level, and then if we claim back this level here, I will again take a position, okay, up to the range, up to the this high or new all-time highs or whatever. So this is what the BTC charts tell me. Until now I am sitting flat up. I tell you, no one can trade this price action. Okay, this is really hard. This price action is really hard to trade. It's really choppy. So yes, sometimes sitting flat is more better than losing your money. Okay, so yes, I am sitting flat for now. And for the USD dominance, if I just show you, it is also approaching its resistance region. Sorry, for the BTC, for the USD dominance, we are also reaching our weekly resistance level here, from where the price reverse in the history from 2022, and now we are again approaching this level here. And then for the USD dominance, I will be playing this play into the mid range. Okay, if we held the mid range and move back, the BTC again bleeds. But the reversal from here, okay, if we just reverse, if we do something like this, BTC will be doing something like this. In my opinion, I want the USD dominance to pump more aggressively, so it reach the resistance as soon as possible, and the BTC will sweep these lows as fast as possible. Okay, so, and at that point here on the mid range, I will be looking the BTC reaction. I will be looking at the BTC reaction here. As the USD dominance reach the mid range, I will be looking at, just a second, I will be looking at the price at somewhere between, at this point, just a second, at the mid range here. Okay, USD dominance reaches the mid range, and the BTC will reach the mid range. Simple as that. Okay, so, and then if we break below this level here, BTC will definitely reaches to 120k resistance. Okay, I know I'm bad at drawing, but believe me what I'm saying. You can go and check out my previous streams and just go and look at the dates of those streams and the price action at those days, and then what happened here on the charts in the after days after my streams will clear you about the credibility of what I am telling you. Okay, so yes, this is the BTC update. What I am looking in the BTC chart for now. For now, I am sitting on the flat. My first trigger will be, I will just tell you, my first trigger is sweeping sweep of this low. Okay, sweep of this low. Sweep of this low will be my first trigger here, and sweep of this low, and the claiming this level back is the second trigger, and then I will be definitely then it is all about your execution. I will execute the trade according to my plan, which I am telling you. Take my profits here, trim some here and trim here, and at that point USD dominance will be also at the resistance, hoping so. So yes, this is all the BTC context for now. I also advise any of the listeners to stay flat, because in the markets it's really important to survive than to make money. Okay, and in these conditions even the golden hands tremble here. Okay, so I prefer sitting flat in these kind of days. I have made good money in this range, made some good money on this short, then again on the mid-range short. Okay, then on this range here, and now why? Because I just waited for the range lows to get sweep. When this range low was here and the price was here, I was calling for a range low sweep. Okay, and then I waited for many days until the price sweep the range low, and then we got our bags filled with the rally. Okay, and now I am repeating the same strategy here, sitting flat, no stress. Okay, just waiting for my triggers. Price has also formed liquidity at this point here. Yes, some of the liquidity will be resting here as well. Why? Because the people who longed at the previous month at the claim of monthly low will be putting their stop loss here. Okay, simple as that. Just make logic. So price will sweep this, and the claiming back will be a long for me. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like the video. If you don't understand, just go and watch again the video, and I swear if you just follow this single plan, if you just look at this low here, just away from all the noise, just look at the 98k level and wait for the sweep of this level. And if we don't get a sweep of this, we got reversal from here, then what? I will be back here. Okay, I will give you more plans like this plan. We got this plan. Okay, we got many plans if the price start moving from here as well. Okay, but for now there is nothing to trade here. Okay, but how can someone long here when we have not sweep any liquidity level? One long was here when we sweep the previous month low, and I took it, cut my profits here, and now I am out. Okay, so now my plan is to wait and watch what the price offers me. I'm not here to chase the markets. I will trade when I find the opportunity, and I advise you guys to do so. Even if I have to wait for the upcoming full week, I will be waiting, and I don't think so that this is going to happen. This is just an hypothetical example that price will take a week into this $3,000 move. No, it will just in 2 to 3 days we will be having a sweep of this low, and also the Q1 and the Q4 are bullish, as we know. So then we will continue our moves up. Okay, so that's it for the BTC. Leave a like, comment, or share the video if you like the video, and I'm again advising you, if you have not understand, just go and watch back the video. Even you can slow the speed. Okay, slow the playback speed as well if you want to understand more better, but I think this is the only video you guys need. Thank you very much. Leave a like. Have a nice day.